name?
Paisley. Paisley.
You're a doctor, Paisley?
Mm-hmm.
Who's your patient today?
Ryder.
What's wrong with them?
He had last night when he was choking on something. I tried to get it out of the choke.
So
And when he was choking on Beother at our house,
you might need to go check him out and see what's going on with him.
Yeah.
Maybe check his ears.
That one's done bad.
That one's bad?
This one too.
What's wrong with it?
But this has calf. This one has cavity, and that one has eye infection.
One has a cavity and one has an eye infection?
Uh-huh.
What are we going to do about it?